I don't think that you are right, Mr. Penn.
What do you
the
think?
vampire bats makes me think of Twilight, but also Batman. He was actually Batman himself.
Oh.
I think this is the amazing Robert Pattinson.
Oh, good
He can
guess.
sing.
He kind of looks like him right now.
He does.
Yeah.
He's a very good friend of mine. He actually introduced me to my husband.
No way.
Did,
Yeah.
did he introduce you?
Griffin introduced me to
Oh
my
my
husband.
So then you
God.
think
No.
it's him?
I really don't, because I feel like also Rob is really shy, but all the clues match.
That's right.
And you are the queen of
I
clues.
am.
So who knows, right? Who knows?
Exactly.
All right.